In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a formatted table in Google Sheets without breaking data. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your web browser. Once the Sheets homepage loads, look at the Start a New Spreadsheet section near the top of the screen and click the option labeled Blank Spreadsheet. Give it a moment so the blank spreadsheet grid can fully load on your screen. Once it appears, take a quick look at the top left corner and confirm that cell A1 is visible, since that is where we will begin working. Now we need to bring in the existing data. Click directly on cell A1 in the top left of the blank grid, so it becomes the active cell. With A1 selected, paste the vendor renewal data that you prepared during setup into the sheet. After pasting, look across row 1 and confirm that it contains the headers vendor, then owner, then renewal date, then annual cost, then status, and finally notes. Then glance down below the header row and confirm that 6 vendor rows have appeared underneath, each filled with their matching information. Next, we are going to convert only the existing data range into a proper table. Begin by clicking cell A1 once more to set your starting point. Now click and hold the mouse button and drag from A1 all the way down and across through F7, so only the pasted vendor data is highlighted in blue. Once that range is fully selected, move your eyes to the top menu bar and click the Format option. A drop-down menu will appear, and from inside that menu, click Convert to Table. Wait a moment while Google Sheets processes the change. You will see the range transform into a formatted table with a colored header row at the top and small filter arrows on each column. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we need to verify the conversion did not break any of the data. Look carefully across row 1 and confirm the same 6 headers are still in the same order they were before. And look down the vendor column and confirm that the vendor names still line up correctly with their matching owners, renewal dates, costs, statuses, and notes. Once you are satisfied with that, click the small filter arrow inside the status column header. A filter menu will pop up for the status column, which confirms the controls are working. To close the menu without making any changes, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. Let's make the formatted table visually clear so it stands out on the page. At the top left corner of the table, you will see the table name with a small down arrow right next to it. Click that small down arrow to open the table menu. From the options listed inside the menu, click Table Header Color. A color palette will appear on the screen, showing several color swatches. From that palette, click a blue color swatch of your choice to apply it to the header row. Once the new color has been applied, click any blank cell below the table to close the menu and return to the normal view. Now let's do a final check on the table range to make sure everything is contained properly. Click on any cell that sits inside the table to activate it. With that cell selected, confirm that the formatted table begins at column A on the left and ends at column F on the right. Then take one more look to confirm that the blank columns sitting to the right of the table are not included in the table formatting, so nothing extra has been pulled in by mistake. And that completes the entire workflow. The pasted vendor renewal data is now a native Google Sheets table. The header row is colored for visibility. Filter controls are available on each individual column, and the original data still stays in the exact same rows and columns it was pasted into, instead of being overwritten or shifted around during the conversion. Your formatted table is ready to use.